Smart TV shopping. Let's get started. Hi there. I just moved into a new home, and I'm looking to buy a smart TV.
Congratulations on the move. I'd be happy to help you find the perfect TV for your family.
Thanks. I want something that works well for all of us, me, my husband, and our 2 kids.
That's great. May I ask how big your living room is, and how far you'll be sitting from the TV?
It's a medium-sized room. We usually sit about 8 feet away.
Perfect. For that distance, I'd recommend a screen size between 55 and 65 inches. It'll feel immersive without being overwhelming.
Sounds good. What resolution should I go for?
4K is ideal for most families. It gives you sharp, detailed images and is widely supported by streaming services.
How about 8K?
8K is more advanced, but there's very little content available for it right now, and it's quite expensive.
Got it. I've heard terms like OLED and QLED. What's the difference?
Great question. OLED stands for Organic Light Emitting Diode. It offers deep blacks and excellent contrast because each pixel lights up individually. QLED, or Quantum Dot LED, is brighter and better for rooms with lots of sunlight.
Our living room gets a lot of natural light during the day.
Then QLED might be the better choice. It handles brightness very well and keeps colors vivid, even in daylight.
Does it support HDR?
Yes, most modern smart TVs support HDR. It enhances contrast and color, making movies and shows look more lifelike.
My son plays video games a lot.
Then a 120 Hz TV with game mode would be perfect. It reduces motion blur and improves responsiveness.
Is the screen reflective? I don't want to see the windows during a movie.
Some models have anti-reflective coatings or matte finishes. I'll show you a few that perform well in bright rooms.
How's the sound quality on these TVs?
Built-in speakers are decent, but they are not very powerful. For clearer dialogue and richer sound, I recommend adding a sound bar.
Do these TVs support Dolby Atmos?
Yes, many mid-range and premium models do. Dolby Atmos creates a 3D sound experience. It feels like the sound is coming from all around you.
Should I get a soundbar or a full home theater system?
A soundbar is a great middle ground. It's easy to install and gives you much better sound than the TV alone. A full system is more immersive, but takes up more space and budget.
What operating system do these TVs use?
It depends on the brand. All of the operating systems are user-friendly and support popular apps.
Can I stream Netflix, YouTube, and Disney Plus?
Absolutely. These apps are either pre-installed or available for download.
What about voice control?
Many TVs support voice assistants. You can use voice commands to change channels, adjust volume, or search for shows.
Can I cast videos from my phone?
Yes. Most TVs support casting. It's great for sharing family photos or video clips.
Is this TV good for gaming?
Yes, especially if it has game mode. It supports better graphics and prevents screen tearing during gameplay.
How many HDMI ports does it have?
Most TVs have at least 3 HDMI ports. That's enough for a console, soundbar, and streaming stick.
And USB ports?
Usually 2. You can use them to play media from a flash drive or connect accessories.
Does it have Ethernet?
Yes, for wired internet. It's more stable than Wi-Fi, especially for streaming 4K content.
Can I connect Bluetooth headphones?
Yes, if the TV supports Bluetooth audio. It's great for watching late at night without disturbing anyone.
Is it wall mountable?
Absolutely. We also offer installation services.
How does the price compare to other models?
It depends on the features. OLED are more expensive, but offer premium quality. I'll help you compare based on your budget.
Is there a warranty?
Yes, most TVs come with a 1-year manufacturer warranty. We also offer extended protection plans.
Are there any other costs?
Streaming services require subscriptions, and wall mounting may have a fee. I'll walk you through everything clearly.
Can I return it if it doesn't fit?
Yes, within 14 days. Just keep the packaging and receipt.
Is the interface easy to use?
Very. Most smart TVs have clean menus and simple remotes.
Can I set parental controls?
Yes, you can restrict content and set viewing limits. It's great for kids.
Can I create profiles for each family member?
Some systems allow that. It helps personalize recommendations and keep things organized.
Can I use the TV as a photo frame?
Yes. You can cast slideshows or use built-in gallery modes.
Can I use a keyboard with the TV?
Yes, you can connect a wireless or USB keyboard. It makes typing in search bars or browsers much easier.
That's helpful. I sometimes browse YouTube or news sites.
Then a keyboard will definitely speed things up. Some TVs also support mouse input.
Can I use the TV for video calls?
Some models support video conferencing apps, but you'll need a compatible webcam.
Can I connect my laptop to the TV?
Absolutely. You can use an HDMI cable for a direct connection, or cast wirelessly using screen mirroring.
Can I use the TV as a second monitor?
Yes, especially if you're working from home. Just make sure your laptop supports external display output.
Is there a kids mode?
Yes, these models offer child-friendly interfaces and content filters. You can also set up profiles with age-appropriate recommendations.
Can I block certain channels or apps?
Absolutely. You can set PIN codes and restrict access to specific content.
Can I limit screen time?
Yes. These models allow you to set daily viewing limits or schedule off times. They are very useful for school nights.
Can I use it as a digital whiteboard?
These models support drawing apps or screen annotation, especially useful for remote learning or brainstorming.
I prefer this model. What's the delivery time?
Usually 2 to 3 business days. We'll confirm availability and schedule at checkout. We offer professional wall mounting and setup services. We'll make sure everything is secure and working perfectly.
Can I get help setting up the apps?
Of course. Our technician can help you log into streaming services and customize your settings.
Can I pay in installments?
Yes, we offer flexible payment plans. I'll show you the options available.
Can I get a discount if I buy a soundbar too?
Absolutely. We have bundle deals that save you money when you buy both together.
Can I get an extended warranty?
Yes, we offer 2-year plans that cover accidental damage and technical issues. We offer phone, email, and live chat support. You'll also get a printed guide with all the contact information.
I think I'm ready to choose.
Wonderful. Let's narrow it down, based on your preferences and budget.
Thanks for explaining everything so clearly.
My pleasure. Let's find the perfect smart TV to make your new home even more enjoyable.